Hi guys, wish you a very happy Navratri, and today I am here with the traditional halwa puri and chana recipe. This prasad is my personal favorite. So hey, let's begin. For puri we have taken around 200 grams of flour. We'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and make a soft dough using water. 200 grams of flour will give us 20 to 25 puris. So accordingly you can increase or decrease the quantity. Once dough is ready, we'll cut it into small dough balls. Now take one dough ball and roll it into thin puri. Repeat the process. Perfect. So let's move ahead with frying our puris. In a frying pan, pour oil. Cook evenly from both sides and take it out once ready. Next we are making very simple yet very tasty bhuna chana. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan. Red chana or lal chana 100 grams. Cook for 6 to 7 minutes on low flame. And within no time our bhuna chana is ready. Finally, let's make our suji ka halwa. To keep it very simple, use same measuring cup throughout the halwa recipe. Firstly, in a frying pan, add 2.5 cups of oil or ghee. I have used both. With the same measuring cup, we'll take suji, that is 2.5 cups of suji. For halwa, we must use the refined suji. It will give the proper texture and the taste. Now give it a light roast. It might take 5 to 10 minutes depending on the quantity. To enhance the flavor, we'll add 5 small cardamom. So you can see our suji is lightly roasted now. We'll add here 3 times the suji, that is 7.5 cups of water. Cook until water is completely dissolved and halwa-like consistency is formed up. This consistency looks perfect. Put in 2 cups of sugar for sweetness in halwa. Now that our halwa has taste and perfect consistency, we'll add the dry fruits. Looks yum, isn't it? Combine them together. And there we go. Our delicious puri chana halwa is ready now. Follow this recipe and you'll make perfect prasad each time. I hope you have a really good time with this puri chana and halwa. Guys, if you like this recipe, then give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming recipes. Until we meet again, goodbye.